Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious and quick recipe that's called Mushroom Tikka, and this Mushroom Tikka is very easy to make, and let's get started. Now the ingredients for this recipe are mushrooms. You can use any white mushrooms. This is Greek yogurt, close to 1 cup. But if you don't have Greek yogurt at home, you can use hung curd or a regular yogurt and strain the extra water out with a strainer or a muslin cloth. Apart from these two things, I have a teaspoon of lime juice, some garlic, ginger, some besan or chickpeas flour, a pinch of salt to taste. This is the Tandoori Masala, Degi Mirch powder, the red chili powder, but this is Degi Mirch or Kashmiri Mirch, so it's not too spicy. And this is the mustard oil. And for garnishing, I have some butter, some chaat masala, lime juice, and some cilantro. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is to make a marinade for our mushrooms. And I'm going to add the Greek yogurt. Now, I'm going to add the besan, some mustard oil, next goes in the ginger, garlic, the lime juice, salt, tandoori masala, degi mirch powder, and then I'm going to mix all this together to make a marinade for our mushrooms. So now our mixture or the marinade is ready, and I'm going to add the mushrooms to this. Now after adding the mushrooms, I'm going to coat the marinade that we just made very nicely on our mushrooms. Now these are our marinated mushrooms, and I have some steel skewers on which I'm going to put these mushrooms. So I'm just going to insert these mushrooms in our skewers. Now this is our cooking range, and I have some charcoal, if you can see here. Now this charcoal is just to give the tandoori flavor to our mushroom tikkas. And now I'm going to place these skewers on this like this. And I'm going to grill these mushrooms till they are slightly brown, and I'm going to keep turning these in between. Here you can see our mushroom tikkas are cooking, and I can, get that charcoal fragrance on our tikkas. And I'm going to continue cooking these till they are slightly brown. So these are our tandoori or mushroom tikkas, and I'm going to take these out in this bowl. Take it out in this bowl. Now these are our tandoori mushrooms, and now I'm going to add the chaat masala to this. Some butter, lime juice, and some cilantro. And now I'm going to mix all this together. Just coat everything on these mushrooms. I can get that tandoori flavor from the charcoal. Okay, and our mushrooms are ready. Now I'm going to serve it. Now here's our garnished mushroom tikkas, and I'm going to serve it with some cilantro and mint chutney and some onions on the side. I hope you enjoyed this mushroom tikka recipe, and if you did, do like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe, and for more videos tune in. Till next time, thanks for watching. Bye bye.